How are you guys? This is Vixon from the Vixon TV channel, and today mag-unbox po tayo ng wireless charger. This is Anker 3-in-1 Cube MagSafe. So every time makakarinig tayo ng word na MagSafe, this is related sa mga Apple products, specifically for the iPhones. So yes, this is actually made for Apple products, but there are a lot of Android phones out there in the market na capable na rin siya. Actually, capable siya ng wireless charging. And to name a few, Samsung products and mga Huawei or mga Chinese na phones. And yeah, kaya siya tinawag na 3-in-1 because first and foremost, the top part of this cube is for the wireless charging ng mobile phone, so the iPhone. And also for the second one, you can use Apple Watch for charging, and last one is if you have an AirPods or gaya nitong gamit ko ngayon, this is a Earbuds Pro from Samsung. So Earbuds Pro, mga bagong earbuds ng Samsung, capable na rin siya ng mga wireless charging. So before tayo mag-start sa unboxing nitong wireless charger, gusto ko lang pasalamat or mag-thank you sa nag-sponsor ng shirt na to. It's a Demon Slayer printout siya. So it's a vintage shirt na may printout ng Demon Slayer. And the company na nag-send ng shirt na ito is, makikita nyo sila sa Instagram account. Or Instagram, makikita may account nila dun. Yung account nila is unfoldofficial.ae. So you can check their page. Makikita nyo dun yung mga shirts na available na kung gusto nyo mag-purchase. Mga printouts siya ng mga anime, like bands or anything na mga classic na sikat na mga classic na brands or mga mottos or logos, pwede nyo siyang tingnan. Just follow their page, send them a message kung ano yung mga interesting or interested kayo sa mga products nila. So they are a startup company based in Dubai or based in the UAE. So hopefully i-support natin yung company na to. They're just a startup company, so let's try to support them, send them a message, follow their page, and let's see how it goes. So thank you unfoldofficial.ae for sending me this shirt. Okay, let's start with the unboxing of this MagSafe wireless charger from Anker. Okay, so again, this is the Anker wireless charger. This is a 3-in-1 cube with MagSafe. So MagSafe meaning compatible to sa mga Apple devices. Basta capable sila na mag-handle or mag-receive ng wireless charging. So as you can see here, ito yung pinaka example nung sinasabi ko kanina. iPhone and Apple Watch, including the AirPods, or pwede rin sa mga Samsung Earbuds Pro. Okay, let's start with the unboxing. Okay, so eto siya. Ito yung unit. Ganda. This is like a grayish in color. So let's see. Ito yung unit. Tingnan natin. Okay, manual and all those things kung paano siya gamitin. Ito yung charging brick. Sirain na lang. Okay. So, USB Type-C siya. Basically, kapag nasa US ka or nasa other Asian countries ka, flat heads yung saksakan. So, since nasa UAE tayo, so, ang gamit natin is yung 3-prong. Ganyan siya. Ganito yung mga adapters namin dito sa UAE. So, ang gagawin mo lang is i-attach mo lang siya. Like so. So, pwede mo na siyang gamitin. Still USB Type-C. The other one, syempre kung magta-travel kayo abroad, you can use this as well. Okay. Sa ibang European countries, even sa other Asian countries, they're using this 2 pins. This is the USB Type-C cord. Provided na rin siya. So as I've said a while ago, this is the unit. So grayish in color and it's really heavy. So hindi na natin kailangan yung manual. Andito yung, I believe this is the indicator na nag-charge siya. LED. This is the USB Type-C. Tapos pwede natin itong buksan. See? It looks like this one. Then, andito yung sa watch. Galing, di ba? So, basically, ganyan ang itsura niya. Try natin. So, ito yung USB Type-C input niya. So, pag nilagay mo kasi, gumamit na lang ako ng ibang USB Type-C cord, which is the same pa rin naman. So, pag ginamit mo siyang ganyan, iilaw, indicator na nasaksak na siya sa outlet. So, first thing, kaya siya 3-in-1 is para siya sa mga Apple devices, mostly Apple devices. So, tingnan natin. First na itatry natin is yung Apple Watch, kung gumagana siya. So, first is ipapress mo lang dito para lumabas siya. Then, atakin mo siya. So, sa Apple Watch, lagay mo lang siyang ganyan. Nag-charge na siya. Again, maririnig nyo yun. Ewan ko kung naririnig nyo. Basta, meron. Yun. So, meron siyang nakalagay dyan. Then, the next one is para sa iPhone. This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max na may MagSafe case. So, lagay lang natin. So, malakas yung kapit. Then, makikita mo. 69% charge. And lastly, dito sa likod, kung makikita mo kasi dito is, ito yung para sa AirPods. So, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, I don't have AirPods with me. So, ang gagamitin ko yung Earbuds Pro ng Samsung. This is the Earbuds Pro ng Samsung. So, merong LED indicator dyan kapag nag-charge. So, pag nilagay natin, iilaw ng red yan. See? So, that's the indicator. Proof or ibig sabihin gumagana yung wireless charger. So, tanggalin natin. Mawala ulit. Nilagay natin ulit. Iilaw siya. That's the LED. So, 3-in-1. One for Apple Watch. One for AirPods or Earbuds Pro. Then, one for the Samsung. So, malakas yung kapit nito. So, kung tatanggalin nyo siya, gumamit kayo ng dalawang kamay. So, try nyo ulit. Malakas yung kapit. So, yun lang. Ganun siya. Ganun yung pinaka-idea nitong Anker na wireless charger. 3-in-1 wireless charger. So, makikita mo. Ayan. So, kapag nagamit yung device, makikita mo yung LED nung wireless charger, nakailaw siya. So, para mas malinaw, tingnan natin ulit. Tanggalin natin. Yan. Then, itry natin tong iPhone kung gagana siya. Yan. Kita mo? Ganda, di ba? So, maganda siya kasi you can charge 3 devices. So, that's basically it. Simple lang yung product. A little bit expensive, but actually kung tatlo ba naman kaya mong pag sabay-sabayin na i-charge, why not, di ba? So, basically, ganun lang yung, or kasimple yung logic behind ng wireless charging ng Anker na 3-in-1 Cube MagSafe. So, 3-in-1, ulitin ko lang. Kaya siya tinawag na 3-in-1. Ay, sorry. Okay, 3-in-1 siya kasi dito yung mobile phone. Pag binuksan mo naman to, dito yung AirPods or Earbuds Pro na pwede sa wireless charging. Then this is, i-press mo lang siya. This will be your Apple Watch charger. So 3-in-1, 1, 2, and 3. USB Type-C. Pag sinaksak mo yung yung charger, ay yung cord and yung sa outlet, meron siyang LED lights or LED light para indicating na gumagana yung device itself. Okay, so para dun sa wattage, so this is a 30 watt adapter. Sa output, pag sa iPhone, okay, if you're going to charge your iPhone using this Anker 3-in-1, ang output nito is 15 watt. Andun nakalagay 15 watt. Then kapag AirPods, it's 5 watt. And for the Apple Watch is 5 watt lang din. So hindi siya ganun kalakas, hindi rin siya ganun kabilis. Pero still, it's a good charger. It's a good wireless charger. So ganun lang kasimple yung wireless charger na to. Simple, easy, and affordable pa rin naman siya. So pwede siya sa mga devices na to. Okay, so thank you for watching, and hopefully nag-enjoy kayo sa video. So thank you for watching. Subscribe ulit po kayo, and paki-like na lang tong video, and para makapag-unbox pa ako ng ibang products for you to decide kung okay sa inyo yung mga products na to or hindi. Again, thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye!